Have you ever wondered why the US dollar seems to be everywhere, from international trade deals to your favorite vacation destination? Well, it's not just a currency, it's a global powerhouse. In this video, we're diving into the role of the US dollar in world markets and why it holds so much power around the globe.
Economies, US dollar symbole floating over the globe.
Let's start with the basics. The US dollar is the world's primary reserve currency, meaning most countries hold it in large amounts in their central banks. Why? Because the dollar is stable, trusted, and backed by the world's largest economy, the United States. Over 58% of global foreign exchange reserves are held in dollars. That's more than the euro, yen, and pound combined. The US dollar isn't just sitting in vaults. It's used in global trade, especially for commodities like oil, gold, and gas. This system is often called the petrodollar system because oil is priced and traded mostly in US dollars. So if a country wants to buy oil, say from Saudi Arabia, they'll need dollars first. This creates a constant demand for dollars, keeping its value strong. Most international loans and debts are also issued in US dollars. That means countries, companies, and banks across the globe must repay those loans in dollars, not their local currencies. So even if you live thousands of miles from the US, your economy may still depend on how strong or weak the dollar is. The dominance of the dollar gives the United States massive economic influence. It can impose sanctions, freeze assets, and limit trade for nations simply by restricting access to the dollar system. That's why the dollar isn't just a currency. It's a tool of global power. Challenges to the dollar, but the dollar's dominance isn't unshakable. Countries like China and Russia are working to reduce their reliance on the dollar, and some are even trading in local currencies. Cryptocurrencies and digital currencies are also emerging as alternatives. Still, for now, the US dollar remains king of the financial world. Conclusion. So, why does the US dollar matter so much? Because it's more than just America's currency. It's the backbone of global trade, finance, and influence. As long as people trust the US economy, the dollar will likely continue to rule the world markets. Subscribe for more eye-opening financial content and leave a comment below.